In this guide, I'm going to show you how to fix an unidentified error occurred when trying to pre-order GTA 6 Ultimate Edition on PS5. Before we get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Also, I just launched the GTA 6 $1 million money map so that you can monetize the hype. Now, this is my exact strategy on how I plan on making $1 million from the GTA 6 hype before and after release. And inside, I'm going to break down the content ideas, YouTube plays, digital products, affiliate angles, and other ways to turn all of this attention into income. So if you want to follow the exact same roadmap that I personally am using, check it out. Every purchase also does help support the channel and allows me to continue making videos like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. First, what you need to do is go ahead and restart your PS5 by selecting power and hitting restart PS5 and then try again. Sometimes this is just a simple fix and the PlayStation Store will fix itself automatically after doing so. From here, check your internet settings by selecting the settings gear up in the top right, selecting network, and check to see if PlayStation Network is having any server problems. If the servers are down or the store is overloaded, you may need to wait and try again later. But if the servers are working, go ahead and check your internet connection and restart your router, reconnect to Wi-Fi, or use a wired LAN cable if possible. Now, to pre-order GTA 6 Ultimate Edition specifically, go to the store itself, search for GTA 6, and then you need to select these dots right here and switch to the Ultimate Edition, which I'm currently on right now. You're going to see the price for about $100 right here. Go ahead and select it and then hit confirm purchase. And if you're still having any issues whatsoever, what you need to do is check your payment method, make sure your card details and billing address are correct. You can also add funds with the PlayStation gift card, or you can use a prepaid Visa gift card, and you can also pre-order through the PlayStation app on a mobile device or the PlayStation website using the same account. Now, if you already bought the standard edition, you just need to scroll down on the game page and you're going to see this add-ons right here, and this is the Ultimate Edition upgrade. You just need to select that instead. Before you leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. If at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, once again, ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.